Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Cooking Goth, and tonight I'm going to teach you guys how to make my gator chicken dip. There's no gator in this, that's just what I'm calling it because I'm using Gator Drool. Made by Cajun two-step. Look this guy up on TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. Everyone should tag him in this video and tell him to share this video to his Still Cracker Facebook page. And now here is what you're going to need for this recipe. 1/2 cup of Gator Drool hot sauce, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 2 cups of shredded chicken, 1/4 cup of blue cheese, 1/2 cup of shredded mild cheddar, and a little bit more for sprinkling on top. First, boil or bake your chicken tits until fully done. Next, shred your chicken, but not in this thing because it seriously sucks. After that, preheat your oven to 350 degrees and then take all your stuff and mix it all together until fully combined. Then sprinkle on some more cheddar cheese and bake for 20 minutes, and then this is what you should finally end up with. Alrighty, now for the taste test. I've already kind of, tasted this and I know it's going to taste good, so. Yes. This really does go in a cracker. Dude. This could go in a sandwich, honestly. This could go in peppers. You don't just have to dip crackers or whatever in it. I was just using that to taste test. So this is cheesy. It's awesome. It's, hot. I like it a lot. I don't know if he's done something like this. He probably has. I know he's made dips, but I don't know if he's used this combination. But this is really good. I hope he tries it. But that's all I got for you guys tonight. Do as I always say, just have fun with it. If you're going to work in a zoo, just have fun with it. Also, guys, if you like this video, please consider subscribing and then hitting the little bell for the notifications. That way, whenever I post a brand new video, you'll know that the Cooking Goth has posted a brand new video. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, a share, and a comment for the algorithm, please, on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, everywhere. Have a great night, everyone.